What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Traxxas Bandit VXL Brushless. I got a couple of upgrades on it. I got a new bumper, RPM bumper. Also added a wheelie bar. Added freaking focus. Added a fan to the motor. Powerhobby fan to the motor. And a Powerhobby fan for the. Sorry about the focus. There we go. And you can see the fan. This is a Powerhobby fan for the ESC and the motor. RPM arms. I was going to change the tires out, but you got to put hexes on it to change it out to the tires I had. Today what I'm going to do is test out my wheelie bar, and I want to check the speed to this car. Let's get into it. I'm running it on 3S. Nasty little spill, but everything works. What I'm gonna do is lower the wheelie bar so it won't lift up off the ground so easy. That bitch had to be, let's check that speed. Yo, this thing is like a rocket. Let me check the speed real quick. 52 miles an hour. Let me give it another shot. I think it got at least 55 or 60 in it, but I ain't give it the whole, I got enough room. So let's try it again. Yo, this bitch is nice, man. I need some better tires. That's what I need. I dog these, but let's check that speed out. It's only 55. I don't think I can squeeze 60 out of it, but I'm gonna keep trying. Thing is, these tires are not hooking up like they supposed to. That's as good as it's gonna get. All right, let's check that speed. Like 55 miles an hour is the best it's gonna do. Now what I could try, and these tires can't take it. Tires is too bald now. Well, let's just bash it real quick. It should have did better than that though. Should have did way better than that, but just got finished running the Bandit. I wanted to give you my thoughts on it. My thoughts are, this thing has good handling and it's durable. Not as fast as I wanted it to be. I got it up to 55 miles an hour, but that's still fine. I did my little upgrades. I got the Powerhobby fan on there, with an ESC, and the Powerhobby fan on the motor. It's a fan and a heat sink on the motor. I got the RPM front bumper. I'm gonna have to change these tires out. As you can see, these tires, the rear tires are done. The front ones is cool, but the rear are bald. They're like drag tires. This car performed excellent. Excellent. Good. It's just I had to drop the wheelie bar all the way down so the front would stay down. You know, stay down a little bit. Here, the thing is, if I had a more powerful battery, I probably could have did more. But I got plans for this car. Y'all gonna be seeing this car a lot on my channel. Got some tires in mind for it, but the wheel, you got to add wheel hexes to the car before you put some additional tires on there, which I'm gonna do. The ESC performed great. The motor performed great. The steering is awesome. This is definitely a must-have. Next time you see it, it'll be upgraded wheels and upgraded pinion. I might get the metal transmission, the metal gear. The transmission is perfect. It's perfect. Transmission is perfect. You don't need to change it, but I might change the housing to a metal. But then that's just gonna give it more weight. I may add some weight to the front so it can stop. So it won't wheelie. I can stay down, but I don't mind wheeling. But if I want to do a straight speed run, I want it to stay down. Want the front end to stay down. My thoughts on this car: it get a 10 for speed. It get a 10 for handling. A 10 for 10 for durable. 10 for stable. And it get definitely a 10 on the fun factor side. And looks, definitely get a 10. But I'm gonna switch this body out for the blue one. I mean, I'm gonna have this blued out. I might put blue springs on here just to have it all custom. Definitely gonna put some blue arms on it. Gonna have the blue body, but you know, it's gonna be a mixture, so it won't be too much blue. This car gets an all around 10. I didn't see nothing wrong with it yet. But this is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.